In the dynamic landscape of modern business, efficient management of tasks, projects, and teams is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Companies, regardless of size or industry, are constantly seeking tools that can streamline their operations, improve collaboration, and ultimately, boost their bottom line. Among the many options available, ClickUp has emerged as a significant player, often lauded for its versatility and comprehensive feature set. This often leads to a fundamental question for new users and those evaluating their options. What type of system is ClickUp? Really? From a financial management expert's perspective, understanding the core nature of a system like ClickUp is crucial. It's not just about what it does, but what kind of infrastructure and philosophy underpins its capabilities. This understanding helps in assessing its long-term value, integration potential, and how it truly contributes to organizational efficiency and, by extension, financial health. At its heart, ClickUp is best described as a highly flexible, all-in-one work management platform. While that might sound like a mouthful, let's break down what each part of that definition means and why it's important. Firstly, work management platform signifies that ClickUp is designed to orchestrate and oversee various aspects of work across an organization. This goes beyond simple task lists. It encompasses project planning, team collaboration, document management, goal tracking, and much more. For a finance manager, this translates to improved resource allocation, clearer project costing, and better forecasting of operational expenses related to ongoing work. When tasks are transparent and progress is trackable, it's easier to stay within budget and identify potential overruns early. The all-in-one aspect is where ClickUp truly differentiates itself from many specialized tools. Instead of needing separate software for project management, document sharing, team chat, and goal setting, ClickUp aims to consolidate these functions into a single environment. From a financial perspective, this consolidation is a significant cost-saving measure. It reduces the number of software subscriptions a company needs to maintain, simplifies vendor management, and potentially lowers training costs as employees only need to learn one primary system. Imagine the savings on licensing fees alone if you can replace 3 or 4 disparate tools with one integrated solution. What makes ClickUp particularly powerful is its emphasis on flexibility and customization. Unlike rigid, out-of-the-box solutions, ClickUp allows users to tailor the platform to their specific workflows, industries, and team structures. This is achieved through custom statuses and workflows. As we've discussed before, you can define the exact stages a task goes through, perfectly mirroring your operational processes. This clarity directly impacts financial accuracy by ensuring that tasks are completed according to established procedures, reducing rework and associated costs. Custom fields need to track specific financial metrics within a task, like budget allocated, actual spend, or revenue generated. ClickUp's custom fields allow you to add any data point relevant to your financial tracking directly within your tasks and projects. This provides a granular level of detail that can be invaluable for reporting and analysis. Multiple views. ClickUp offers a plethora of ways to view your data lists, boards, calendars, Gantt charts, tables, whiteboards, and even a workload view. For finance professionals, this means being able to switch between a detailed list of expenses, a visual representation of project timelines, or a dashboard showing team capacity, all within the same system. This adaptability aids in financial planning and resource optimization. Automation. By automating repetitive tasks, such as assigning a budget review to a finance team member when a project reaches a certain stage, ClickUp directly contributes to operational efficiency. Fewer manual steps mean less human error, less time spent on administrative overhead, and ultimately lower operational costs. From a finance standpoint, automation ensures consistency in processes that impact financial data integrity. While not primarily an accounting system, ClickUp often serves as a data aggregation hub for operational activities. Financial data, often residing in dedicated accounting software, can be profoundly impacted by the efficiency and clarity of operational data. When project timelines are met, resources are efficiently utilized, and tasks are completed on budget, the positive financial outcomes are direct. ClickUp helps create this clarity by providing a centralized repository for all work-related information. This can feed into better financial reporting and analysis, giving finance teams a more holistic view of the company's performance.